to mash away in a flash.
Hi, Addison. If we were to work in a factory, what kind of factory would it be?
Maybe cookies?
Cookies! A cookie factory? Yum. Okay, what kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies?
Okay, and then are they, are they just regular size cookies, or, what shape, like what do they look like and how big are they?
They're giant cookies.
Like giant, like,
this big.
yeah, that's my kind of cookie. Okay, and then is there anything else along with the chocolate chips that are put into these cookies in this factory?
Well, there's also candy cane sprinkles on them.
I imagine if you're making giant cookies, there's like a massive amount of dough, right? Like, okay, how big would the tub be for this dough? Like the size of what?
Like a bathtub.
Okay, a big bathtub of dough. Okay, we find something in the dough that would, normally not be there. What would we find in the dough?
Maybe an earring.
An earring.
It's an earring. It's very pretty.
Let's say this earring actually belonged to an animal. What animal would it belong to?
Maybe a deer.
Why did this deer arrive at the factory?
It jumped in the window.
And why do you think it wanted to go inside of the cookie factory?
Because the deer wanted cookies.
Smart deer.